How is CleanSmart different from other cleaning programs or ways of cleaning offices? It's radically different.
I thought I knew everything about cleaning and what processes were out there. I was very, very sceptical.
It took me a long time to understand how could cleaning be innovative. It was a radical way, a process-driven way of cleaning buildings.
In our marketplace, quite understandably, clients are increasingly looking for more for less, whereas our operatives are looking for improvements in their terms and conditions. And our company, like most other companies in the industry, have real pressure on our margins. Now, if we're going to satisfy all of those needs, I do believe that we are going to have to improve our productivities and find smarter ways of working.
Well, the CleanSmart Academy is fundamental in the whole preparation of getting a building ready to be converted to CleanSmart. CleanSmart Academies are attended by generally regional managers and project managers to become CleanSmart installers. That's the first rung of the ladder. Those that then show the flair, the commitment, the dedication will then move on to become CleanSmart analysts. There's a lot of academia involved in CleanSmart systems cleaning, and it's getting that academia over the theory of how we achieve the successes that we do.
I've been involved in the CleanSmart Academy prior to the installation process. This helped me get an understanding of the academia behind CleanSmart.
CleanSmart is a way of thinking. It's really not a way of doing. And when you take a look at other types of cleaning, like zone cleaning or team cleaning or flow cleaning, it's about assembling individuals, and it's individual-based productivity.
Some of the processes are so consistent you sometimes think of a manufacturing environment, but boy do you get some decent cleaning as well.
It's quite common in advanced manufacturing to use tools that are designed to identify and eliminate waste in process, but not a lot of that had been done in the cleaning industry.
Having been involved in the cleaning industry for over 30 years, there's been many forms of innovation, some of it good and maybe some of it not quite so good. And I first became aware of the work that Sierra were doing in the States in 2005, and I was very interested in some of their headlines that were there at the time. And this included they had converted over 60 million square feet of buildings for contractors in the States. They had achieved improvements in productivity of between 20 and 40%, and there had been significant improvements in the quality and the consistency of the work that was being achieved.
Seeing is believing, because when I saw it for the first time, I became a believer.
Suddenly a light came on and I thought, I can see this. This has got benefits for a lot of people. Benefits for OCS, benefits for Vodafone, and benefits, which is the most important thing I think for the actual cleaning staff who are doing the cleaning.
It's levels of accreditation that we talk about within the CleanSmart Academy. Essentially we have the practitioners who are the people on the ground. That's our cleaners and our supervisors. And once they've been involved in a CleanSmart installation, they are graded CleanSmart practitioner. And that's our first level of accreditation. Thereafter, people will attend a 2-day foundation course which gives them the theoretical knowledge that they need to understand how CleanSmart works. Then those people that have attended that course will go on and be part of an installation team, at which point they will be graded CleanSmart installer. We then have another advanced course, which is a further 2-day academic classroom course, which will qualify somebody to become a CleanSmart analyst, where they learn all about data input and the basics of systems design. The final level is that of CleanSmart engineer, and a CleanSmart engineer is essentially the pinnacle of where we want to get to on CleanSmart, and that's a person that understands every aspect of CleanSmart from its lowest level to its highest level, and will be able to design systems cleaning for all buildings.
As quickly as 1 to 2 nights of the implementation of a systems cleaning program, we found that the whole custodial staff, or the cleaning staff, were taking breaks together, they were taking lunch together.
Following some validation visits we did to the US, we signed up to an exclusive deal in the UK with Sierra and launched CleanSmart.
By running the academies, we are transferring the knowledge to the local managers, the regional managers and the project managers, the people who actually run the systems themselves on the ground. And part of the training is to allow them to be able to re-engineer where necessary, to tweak, to adjust the systems we install as part of the continuous improvement. That's what systems cleaning is about. It's continuous improvement.
We've converted a number of our prestigious accounts in the UK, where on average we've achieved productivity improvements of 25%. Vodafone was one of the first projects that we worked on.
It created not a silo approach to cleaning, but a team spirit.
If you give people more of a purpose, a bit of competition, they're always going to try that little bit harder.
Working collaboratively, I think, has an effect on people's attitudes, their esteem, and their desire to produce a good result.
The quality actually increased. It was an interesting dynamic that took place. We simplified the work process for the cleaners so that they could focus more on the specific tasks that they were given.
The timing of how they go about their work, how they combine to perform tasks, and how they break apart and then recombine at a later time, the timeline of how the work is completed, to watch that happen is really very fascinating.
Well, I start with a smile on their face and not with this trepidation of change. Was a start of starting to believe that, yeah, we could do something here that's going to be different, it's going to see huge benefits.
In the old way of cleaning, every day was an adventure for a supervisor. A lot of the work was reactive. What's going to happen next? Is this person going to show up? What am I going to do when that happens?
Within a very short period of time, CleanSmart is up and running and people enjoy working within the systems cleaning methodology.
From the supervisor's point of view, their role within this CleanSmart, a lot more productivity from them. Where before they were chasing to see if the cleaners were actually carrying out the duties that they once were, that no longer happens. They know exactly where they are, where they're working, and so more time can be spent on quality.
We use CleanSmart Academy to make sure that we have the right people in the right place to ensure continuous improvement for any CleanSmart installation that has taken place.
I can't roll it out quickly enough. And I know OCS are really interested in doing it as well. I'm keen to get the savings that I can, but obviously if I can benefit more cleaners as well, that'd be great. It's a win-win situation for both OCS and Vodafone.
OCS being the only provider of this service in the UK, obviously it puts them at quite an advantage.
The client's perception is very positive. She's seen a big improvement in the standard of cleaning and consistency, and also that the cleaners walk around with a smile on their face and are very motivated.
CleanSmart is an incredibly important part of our future strategy, and I do believe it is capable of delivering the win-win-win that we are looking for. A win in terms of the best value for our clients, a win in terms of the best terms and conditions for our cleaning teams, and a win in terms of preserving the margin within our business.
CleanSmart is very much an OCS process now, which we can derive from the very beginning right to the very end.
It's the way forward for cleaning in this industry.